Did you know that Google cannot actually see your images the way humans do? When visitors look at a photo, infographic, chart, product image, or screenshot, they instantly understand what's being displayed. Search engines, however, rely on technical signals such as image file names, surrounding content, structured data, and most importantly, alt text to understand image content. If your images don't have proper alt tags or image optimization, search engines may struggle to determine what those images represent. As a result, your website misses valuable search engine optimization opportunities. Google Image Search generates billions of searches every month, and websites with properly optimized images have a much better chance of appearing in those search results. When search engines cannot understand your images, you're essentially hiding valuable content from Google. This issue also affects your overall page relevance. Every image on a page can provide additional context about the topic you're discussing. For example, if your article is about search engine optimization audits and your images contain audit reports, ranking charts, or search engine optimization dashboards, Google needs descriptive image information to connect those visuals with your content. Without proper image optimization, Google loses important signals that could help improve your rankings. During a recent search engine optimization audit, I discovered that the website contained multiple images without proper alt attributes. According to the audit report, there were 12 images missing alt text, making it difficult for search engines to understand the image content and reducing potential visibility in Google Images. While this may seem like a small issue, similar problems across dozens or hundreds of pages can significantly reduce your website's search engine optimization potential. The solution is simple. Every important image should include descriptive alt text that accurately explains the image while naturally supporting the page topic. This improves accessibility, enhances image search engine optimization, helps search engines understand your content better, and creates additional opportunities to rank in Google Search and Google Images. If you're unsure whether hidden search engine optimization issues are preventing your website from ranking, a professional search engine optimization audit report can reveal the exact problems affecting your performance. My search engine optimization audit service identifies technical search engine optimization errors, image optimization issues, indexing problems, content gaps, page speed concerns, core web vitals issues, and ranking opportunities so you know exactly what needs to be fixed to improve your Google rankings.